Let's go to Batangas City, where several infrastructure projects were inaugurated today. Pierre Pastor is on the phone for the details. Hi, Pierre. What are these projects?
Hi, Mai. Despite the declaration of the President of a state of energy emergency, some provinces went on with the inauguration of their projects. Sabi nga, tuloy lang ang mga proyekto. Di naman pwede tumigil dahil kailangan ng tao. Here in Batangas City, they formally opened several completed projects. The 5-kilometer Section 1 of the Lipab Mataas na Kahoy Bypass Road in Barangay Bilakmin. The DSWD Regional Office building in Barangay Marajoy, it's a very big building. The 4-story, 16-classroom building in Padre Valerio Malabanan Memorial School and the 8-story, 36-classroom building in Kolehiyo ng Lungsod ng Lipa, Annex Compound in Barangay 1, Lipa. And the 11-kilometer Lipa Padre Garcia Bypass Road. That is why this event is also well attended by some key officials. Secretary Rex Gatchalian of DSWD, Secretary Vince Dizon of DPWH is also here, and Secretary Sani Amgara of the DepEd. Fully supported by Executive Secretary Ralph Recto, because these projects are initiated by Batangas Governor Vilma Santos and San 6th District Congressman Ryan Christian. And I had the chance to talk to Secretary Rex briefly, and he told me that yung ayuda para sa mga drivers will continue at wag daw mag-alala dahil hindi naman daw mauubusan. That's it for now, Mai.
Pierre, may ambush interview ba, particularly kay Secretary Vince Dizon? At also natanong ba yung may update ba sa flood control corruption scandal? Kasi baka natabunan na nitong global energy crisis.
Yeah, right after this, we are going to do a press conference kasi. So hindi pa natin siya na-interview. Ang nauna lang namin na-interview si Rex Gatchalian.
Alright, maraming salamat. Pierre Pastor reporting to us from Batangas.